Myself, Sasank De from Bihar, Patna, India. I made a device called a Smart Safety Protector. Actually, this device addresses the problem of sexual assault and sexual harassment. In India, the sexual assault is a major problem. Every day, there are 82 cases filed each day. So I made a device, a Smart Safety Protector. In this device, there are two features. The first feature is GPS. The GPS send your exact location to police and a family member, and with a message that you are in a danger, you need help, and here and there is my location. And the second feature is a calling system. If you press the second switch, it will do a call to police and a family member. If they receive their call, it will automatically record it in the police server and the family member's phone. And also in this device, if they don't receive the first call and the second call, this device will do a automatically call bombarding. It means it will do 5 to 6 times call within a minute to attention, to gain the attention of a police and a family member. And if they receive the call, they will hear what you are saying and what the attacker is saying, and automatically will be recorded on the device. And the third feature is addressing the SOC system. If someone attacks on you, you can simply press this switch. This switch generates 400 volt of electricity current of a zero point 0.5 ampere. From this device, the attacker will be subconscious for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that you can run from one place to another place. Here is a data of a rape case from 2005 to 2020. How you can see in 2005 it is less, then it's increasing, then the equal, then downfall of the rape case, then again it increasing. There is a research says that in a group of a 10 male, there are 3 males are sexually assaulted, and in a group of a 10 female, so 6 females are assaulted. This is all about my project. Thank you.